Did you know that Tesla went from near bankruptcy to becoming one of the world's most valuable companies with a market cap of $850 billion? From electric cars to energy solutions, Tesla is not just a car company, it's an industry disruptor. Today we'll dive into Tesla's incredible financial journey and how it changed the auto industry forever. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business insights. Let's start from the beginning. Founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, Tesla wasn't always the giant we know today. In fact, Elon Musk didn't even join the company until 2004, when he invested $6.5 million to become Tesla's largest shareholder and chairman of the board. But the road was far from smooth. By 2008, Tesla was on the brink of collapse. The company struggled to get the Roadster, its first car, into production. Musk had to secure additional funding, and he famously admitted that the company came within weeks of bankruptcy. Yet that same year, they launched the Roadster, which proved that electric cars could be both high-performance and environmentally friendly. Tesla's turning point came in 2010 when it went public on the Nasdaq, raising $226 million in its IPO. But what really got things moving was the launch of the Model S in 2012. The Model S set new standards for electric vehicles with its impressive range, luxury features, and safety ratings. Fast forward to 2020, Tesla became the most valuable car company in the world, surpassing Toyota with a market capitalization of over $200 billion. Today, Tesla's market cap stands at $850 billion, more than the combined market cap of GM, Ford, and Honda. That's the power of innovation. In terms of revenue, Tesla has been on an explosive growth path. In 2016, Tesla's revenue was around $7 billion. By 2023, this number had skyrocketed to $81.46 billion, with Tesla delivering 1.31 million vehicles in 2022 alone. To put that in perspective, that's a 40% increase in deliveries compared to the previous year. Tesla's best-selling models, the Model 3 and Model Y, have become global leaders in EV sales, with the Model 3 alone accounting for over 500,000 units sold annually. Tesla's ability to scale production, particularly with its gigafactories, has been a key factor in this massive increase in sales. Tesla's success isn't just confined to the US market. The company has aggressively expanded its manufacturing footprint worldwide. In 2019, Tesla opened its gigafactory in Shanghai, and it's now one of Tesla's most important production hubs. The gigafactory in China alone produced 710,000 vehicles in 2022, contributing to Tesla's dominance in the world's largest EV market. In 2021, Tesla opened 2 more gigafactories, one in Berlin and one in Austin, Texas. These factories are designed to produce 500,000 vehicles annually at full capacity, further accelerating Tesla's global expansion. By 2024, Tesla aims to hit the milestone of producing 2 million vehicles per year globally. Tesla isn't just about cars, it's also a leader in sustainable energy. The company's energy division, Tesla Energy, includes solar panels, energy storage systems, and the Tesla Powerwall. In 2022, Tesla's energy division generated over $4 billion in revenue. While it's a smaller part of the business, it's growing rapidly and plays a crucial role in Tesla's long-term vision of a sustainable future. Elon Musk has often said that Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The company's solar roof and energy storage solutions are helping households and businesses reduce their dependence on fossil fuels. One of the most exciting parts of Tesla's future is its push toward autonomous driving. Tesla's full self-driving FSD software has already generated $1.3 billion in revenue in 2022 from pre-orders alone. While the technology isn't perfect yet, Tesla is working toward a future where fully autonomous vehicles are a reality. Looking ahead, Tesla has ambitious plans to expand into other areas. There's talk of a $25,000 affordable EV, and Tesla is already working on the Cybertruck, expected to launch in 2024, and the Tesla Semi, which aims to revolutionize freight transportation. From near bankruptcy to an $850 billion giant, Tesla's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and persistence. The company's impact on the automotive industry, sustainable energy, and autonomous driving is undeniable. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into business and tech giants. Let us know in the comments what you think about Tesla's future.